I've studied quantum mechanics for 5 years, and I'm still struggling with superposition. Then my grandma texts me, "Honey, is that Rigetti stock going up?" Mrs. Wang says it's quantum and it'll make me live forever. Welcome to Growth Lab. Today, we aren't talking about Schrödinger's cat. We're talking about Wall Street's quantum blind boxes. My grandma invested her gold bracelet money into 3 companies. Let's see if this is a future Nobel Prize or the biggest rug pull of the century. Entrant number 1, IonQ, the darling of Wall Street using trapped ion technology. Simply put, it's using lasers to control charged atoms. Sounds fancy, right? It's like giving a manicure to a swarm of fleas using a needle. Grandma bought it because it starts with an I. She thinks it's as stable as an iPhone. In reality, IonQ's path to commercialization is slower than my grandma learning how to use a smartphone. They are master storytellers. Next up, Rigetti. This is the budget version of quantum stocks in grandma's eyes because it's cheap. They use superconducting qubits and want to do everything. But their problem? They change CEOs faster than my grandma changes her line-dancing partners. Grandma says cheap things aren't good, but for this price, I can buy so many shares. Grandma, this is a stock, not a clearance sale for cabbage. Rigetti is swimming naked, and the tide is going out way faster than they can put their clothes on. Finally, D-Wave, the old guard of quantum. They do quantum annealing. In the industry, it's like this. Everyone is trying to build a starship, and D-Wave is trying to make a horse carriage go as fast as a rocket. Grandma likes this one best because they actually have customers. True, they help companies calculate logistics, but can they run true universal quantum algorithms? Academics could argue about that for 3 days straight. And guess what? Last week, the market dipped. My index funds went down, but because one of Grandma's blind boxes got a funding boost, her return actually beat mine. Today's quantum computing is like computers in the 1940s. This isn't investing, it's betting on the protocols of a new era. Don't let your retirement fund become a research grant for physicists. Follow Growth Lab, and let's find the way through the fog together.